Today, we go over some of the features and benefits of the Mini Landscape Rake by Erskine. The raking system consists of 11 tooth bars that are bolted to 2 heavy-duty chains. These are the same size and type chains we use on our full-size skid steer landscape rake. The tooth bars are 46 inches long and made of 1 inch by 2 inch rectangle tubing. They have 28 teeth welded to them. The tooth bars are bolted to 2 heavy-duty chains. This allows you to unbolt the tooth bars and flip them around for twice the lifespan. The back side of the hood has visibility holes cut in it, so as you stand in the operator station, you can have good visibility into the bucket to see how full it is. The overall width of this landscape rake, including the motor, is approximately 56 inches. The weight is roughly 680 pounds. The tooth spacing on each tooth bar is around 1.5 inches. This gives you the ability to rake material down to at least 1 inch in size. You can also rake material up to around the size of a softball. The bucket is built very heavy to stand up to the rigors of everyday use. The back side of the frame is made of square tubing. This makes the backbone of the bucket very strong. The bottom of the bucket has 2 skid plates welded to it that double as reinforcement for the bucket. The hood has skid shoes bolted on both sides. They have 3 adjustment holes in them, and this allows you to customize the amount of down pressure you have on the hood and tooth bars. This will allow you to dial in how much sifting action you get with the dirt and material you're trying to sort. For the drive system on this landscape rake, we wanted to keep it simple and lightweight. Therefore, we used a direct drive Eaton 2000 series motor. The motor is sized to properly turn the tooth bars at approximately 125 RPM at 13 gallons a minute. In keeping with our simplistic design, we utilize a pivot point between the hood and the bucket. This alleviates the need for a valve block and extra cylinder. To empty the bucket, all you need to do is raise up and dump the bucket, like you would a normal dirt bucket. A legacy of excellence since 1948. Visit our website and find a dealer near you.